30 matter down the hall, so
Okay,
it's all good.
all right, your
Your Honor, for the
name,
record, James Sparrow, P57197, on behalf of Mr. Bush in this matter.
sir, your name?
Christian Bush.
All right, so you're gonna plead to, he's gonna plead to impeding with the disobeyed police officer directing traffic charge to be dismissed, true?
That is correct,
Is
Your Honor.
is that what you wanna do, sir?
Yes, sir.
You didn't sound convinced.
Your Honor, he, per the prosecutor's suggestion.
I know, I don't like that, but he sent him to a traffic course.
He took a driving safety course, and there was a very similar scenario in the course where my client did pretty much exactly what he did here. I think this is a resolution that not everybody is perfectly thrilled with, which means it's probably the right resolution.
To the charge impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right, I'll accept the plea, $200, you go down and take care of that, you're all
Your Honor,
set.
could he have 2 weeks? His car broke down
I don't
2
have a
days
problem,
ago.
that's fine.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll make it August the 15th, that's 2 weeks from Friday, okay?
I appreciate it.
Best of luck to you, nice to see you, Mr. Sparrow.
Very good.
Jim Construction Services LLC, 25T645-896 A, B, and C.
Good morning, Your Honorable McNally.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Good, you? I told you you needed a lawyer. Did I not tell you that?
No, I wasn't aware of that. No, I was not aware.
What's your name?
Carlos.
Carlos what?
Pena.
Listen, I told Mr. Garcia, Carlos Pena, is it Carlospena?
Yeah, no, P-I-N-O-N.
Pinon?
Yeah. I wasn't aware of it.
Slow down. Slow down. Somebody showed up here, Gerardo Garcia, July 17th.
Yeah, that's my cousin. We just run the company.
Slow down.
So,
Slow down. Let me talk. You know what I told him? He was a foreman, right?
yeah.
I said your company needs an attorney. You can't keep showing up here without an attorney. I can't let a corporation be represented by a foreman or anybody else on a misdemeanor. I just can't do it. Didn't he tell you that?
No, he did.
Well, maybe you should get another partner. If he's not telling you that, he's not conveying other important things to you. I told him that. I made that clear.
I just see the paperwork on my desk, and
He didn't bother telling you that.
no, he did not. I'm so sorry, he did not.
Wow. What's your position with the company?
I'm a manager. I take care of all the.
Who's the principal of the corporation, the
The
president?
owner would be his father, Gerardo Garcia's father. He's going through colon cancer at the moment. He's in the hospital.
Yeah, but he can't appear. You guys gotta hire a lawyer. I'm gonna tell you one last time, and then I'm gonna start show causing people.
No. So I can just, any lawyer, any lawyer does not matter, and
You gotta have a lawyer represent the corporation. I can bend the rules slightly on a civil infraction where there's a resolution. I can't do it on a misdemeanor. I mean, this is not new. I'm not picking on you guys. I've been doing this for.
I understand completely.
Well, why did he tell you? Look, I'm gonna adjourn the arraignment and pretrial one last time.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you.
Defendant needs lawyer.
Understood.
All right?
Yes, sir.
August 14th, Amy?
Yep, the 14th at 9:30.
At 9:30.
I'm so sorry about that.
You seem like a nice kid, but so did he. Don't let me down because I'm not gonna be nice about it next time.
Things going on. Thank you.
Good luck. Go down the hall, they'll give you a notice.
Thank you.
Napoleon Chevalier Robinson. Come on in if you would, Mr. Gaith. 24F243037, assuming this is yours. Did you speak to Mr. Gaith, Mr. Robinson?
Yes, sir.
Or was it Mr. Shemke?
Well, I spoke with the attorney.
Yeah, we got a bunch of lawyers here. Did he speak to Shemke or Gaith?
I can't remember, you know, I gotta look.
What's that?
The attorney's name was Mr. Shin.
Oh. Yeah, we'll need Mr. Shemke, 227, I got him. Why don't you have a seat right behind you? 1 second, yep.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. Boy, I don't know how they give these deals. I wish I was a lawyer again.
Good morning, Judge.
You got this guy, you got him no ops from revoked?
Yes, Your Honor, I do have an explanation.
I can't wait to hear. He's gonna plead to no ops, the revoke to be dismissed.
Yes, Chris Shenkin here on behalf of my.
How long's he been revoked?
Your Honor, he's been revoked for a little while, Judge.
Yeah, I know. How long?
I don't have the exact amount of time,
And then he picked up another one
which I did handle, Judge.
in February.
Correct,
And he's
Judge.
driving on a revoked?
I took care of that one as well, Judge.
He's gonna plead the no operator's license on person?
Yes, Judge, we've started the process of actually getting his license back. We're already starting to work on the letters. He understands he has to do a substance abuse evaluation as well as drug
All right.
testing.
Okay. If you plead the no ops, I'm gonna dismiss the suspend, revoke, denied. I try not to get involved in what they're doing. That's punishable by up to 100 fines, 90 days jail, costs for all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
I understand that as well, sir.
All right. You, just for further information, I believe from looking at his record, he was revoked back in 2000, and then he picked up another drunk driving while he was revoked and pled to a felony, right?
Yes, I handled that one as well, Judge.
You understand everything? Yes?
Yes, sir.
You understand your rights?
Yes, I
If
do.
you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a trial. Do you understand that?
I do, sir.
You're charged no operator's license on person. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you operating a motor vehicle in Fort or Sibley and Trenton, May 15 of 25 at 9:39 p.m.?
I was.
Did you have a valid license? You were revoked, true?
Yes, sir.
Are you on probation?
No,
Parole?
no,
Anybody forced you to plead guilty?
no.
When was he sentenced on that?
He'll be sentenced coming up in
You
August.
got your waiting sentencing on a felony. I'm just telling you, I don't mean to be, I'll accept the plea. You're waiting sentencing on a felony and you go out and violate your bond by driving on a revoked license again.
We had to have a dialogue regarding that, Judge, because he was trying to work to make extra money, and I explained to him that, listen, you're.
Where does he work?
I'm a union carpenter. I do the Detroit auto. show.
Sir, you can't do this.
No, I know. I understand.
And he's accompanied by his wife today. We had a long heart-to-heart that he's working actually against what I was trying to accomplish in the circuit court, so he's off the road, Judge.
Is there a sentence agreement on that?
Yes, Judge, right now I got it reduced, and he is looking at 60 days Wayne County Jail.
To OWI2?
I actually got the operating influence kicked completely.
What in the world's going on? Why was that? Was it a good defense? I hope.
It was a good defense attorney.
My wife got.
What was the plea to? I'm curious.
Judge, I believe that we got it down to a 7411 possession charge, dismissal of the operating of the influence, dismissal of the driving.
Possession of what? What kind of drug?
I don't recall offhand what
What kind of drug?
was in on the other case.
Oh, cocaine. Wasn't mine.
No,
Yes,
stop.
He's been driving all over. I mean, you've been driving all over. You had a violation of the basic speed law here in January. You had a February speeding out of Taylor. You went there and took care of that shortly after you took care of your drunk driving, at least the plea. Then he gets in another crash in June of 25. I mean, you're going to set a record for what I've done on no ops. You know that?
Judge, I'm confident I won't ask for anything for about a year or so. I'll,
What's that?
I said I won't ask for any other requests to the court regarding no ops for a period of time.
Well, no.
I know.
Listen, this one is one of the worst ones. I mean, it just is. He's still driving around, acts like he owns the road. He's drunk. He's got cocaine. They get it reduced, and he's not even taking advantage of a good plea deal that you got him. I mean, there's no end in sight for him. Does his wife drive?
Yes.
Why doesn't she drive him to work?
Your Honor, we made the necessary arrangements regarding that, obviously past mistakes and past bad judgment, setting aside he understands that going forward, I mean, he's gonna have to vote for him.
Anything else?
No, Judge.
Sir, is there anything else that you'd like to say?
No, sir.
I can say this because you're significantly younger than me. I don't normally order people at my age or your age to go on the court work program, but that's exactly what you can do. If you can be a carpenter. I mean, I can't look at myself in the mirror and send somebody to jail on no ops. And that's what the conviction's for. 100 fines, 300 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment. When I said I was going to set a record, this is about as bad as I've done to somebody pleading to no ops. 5 days court work program, $175 in court work program fees. So you got 5 1/4. That's 100 fines, 300 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, plus 5 days on the court work program. There's $170 in court work program. I'm sorry, $175 in court work program fees. Your total here with everything amounts to $700, 5 days court work, or 90 days. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. I wish you well. He can pay that now?
You already can make a payment tomorrow. We're gonna ask for a payment.
How much?
I think I make a $200 payment tomorrow.
And then what?
I believe you can make payments every 2 weeks.
A week of 200 a day, that's what it is.
I'll let you pay $100 per week. You will start that beginning on Monday, August the 4th. Your lawyer did a great job for you, Mr. Harper. I have a feeling your luck's going to run out if you keep acting like this. Take it however you want to take it. You have to meet with probation to set up your court work program days. Good luck. Nicolian Chevalier Robinson,
Yes, sir.
24F243037. Your name, sir?
My name is Napoleon Chevalier Rock.
Need Jessica.
Your Honor, actually, can we get this matter passed? I need to actually ask him a couple.
Yeah, and I need a 5-minute recess after that last one.
Thank you, Judge.
I mean, I'm not blaming you, Mr. Shumke, at all.
I understand.
Good luck. Stay seated, everybody.
All right, let's talk about that. This stretch in Judge Michael K. McNally's courtroom was a study in how very different cases can play out back to back. First up was Christian Bush, resolving a charge of disobeying a police officer's direction by pleading to impeding traffic. His attorney noted Bush had already completed a driving safety course, ironically covering a nearly identical situation to the one that got him cited, which seemed to satisfy the court that this was a fair resolution. The judge set the fine at $200 with 2 weeks to pay and sent him on his way. Then came a more procedural hiccup with Carlos Pinan, appearing on behalf of Jim Construction Services LLC. McNally was clear. A corporation can't appear without an attorney on a misdemeanor, no matter if it's the foreman, manager, or cousin of the owner. Pinan explained the company's principal was hospitalized with cancer, but the judge still made it plain this was the last continuance before a show cause order. A lawyer will have to be present next time. The real fireworks came with a case that tested McNally's patience. Nicolian Chevalier Robinson, charged with no operator's license on person while revoked. The backstory was messy. A license revoked since 2000. A felony OWI conviction after that. Cocaine possession reduced under a 7,411 plea. Multiple speeding tickets, a crash, and now another driving offense while awaiting sentencing on the felony. His attorney acknowledged the bad optics but said they were working to restore his license and had arrangements for his wife to drive him. The judge didn't hold back, pointing out that Robinson had been given a remarkably favorable plea deal on the felony and yet was still making the same mistakes. He called it one of the worst no-ops cases he'd seen. Rather than jail, McNally imposed 5 days on the court work program, $700 in total fines and fees, and a stern warning that the defendant's luck was running out. Payment was set up in installments, starting the next week. In all 3 cases was the judge's mix of procedural precision and plain-spoken commentary. For Bush, it was a quick, fair close. For Penun, a hard rule about corporate representation. And for Robinson, a pointed lecture on wasted second chances and the reality that the court's leniency won't last forever. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one